Hey everyone! In our last video, we explored the stunning city of Rijeka in Croatia. Today, we're hitting the road along the Adriatic Sea, all the way from Rijeka to Zadar. Buckle up as we discover some charming towns along the way. Our first stop is the picturesque town of Novi Vinodolski, just 40 kilometers from Rijeka. This delightful port town, with its population of around 4,000, is famous for its bright orange rooftops that pop against the deep blue sea and green hills. The historic harbour is buzzing with life, and the beautiful churches, like the Church of St. Philip and Jacob, add a touch of cultural magic. Stroll through the old town's narrow streets and traditional stone houses and soak in the scenic waterfront. It's a true gem on the Adriatic. Next, we drove 25 kilometers to Nehaj Fortress in Senj. This 16th century fortress, built to defend against Ottoman invaders, stands tall with its impressive Renaissance architecture. Perched on a hill, it offers breathtaking views of Senj and the Adriatic. The fortress is a symbol of resilience and a treasure trove of history. Its historical significance is further highlighted by its role in the defense of the region during the Ottomans period. Today, it's a must-visit spot, hosting cultural events and exhibitions. As they say, travel far, travel wide, and find the stories that reside. Our adventure continued in Senj, a vibrant coastal city brimming with natural beauty and historical charm. The beach area here is simply stunning, with clear waters perfect for swimming, sunbathing, or even some beach volleyball. The bustling port adds to the city's maritime allure, and there's plenty of parking nearby. Senj's lively atmosphere, with its array of cafes, restaurants and shops, makes it a fantastic place to explore. Don't miss the medieval and Renaissance architecture and the lovely churches like St. George and the Holy Trinity Church. Finally, we arrived at Lukovo Shugarje, a charming town set against a stunning coastline. The scenic highway leading here offers spectacular sea views. Enjoy a relaxing time at the local cafes, savoring delicious refreshments and local bites. The small harbour is perfect for boat rides and fishing. With its hilly terrain and panoramic vistas of the Adriatic, Lukovo Shugarje is a serene spot that captures the heart of Croatia. And that wraps up today's journey. I hope you enjoyed exploring these beautiful places with us. In our next video, we'll take you to the vibrant city of Zadar. Until then, take care and see you soon.